Are you tired of getting anonymous phone calls? Is someone harassing you? Fact number 1, no phone number is really unlisted. Fact number 2, everyone's information is available. Fact number 3, it's easy to trace any phone number. Don't believe me? Then listen to this. Every time someone enters information into a form on the internet, they fill out an application for service or a credit card, they answer questions from a telemarketer, or they send in product registration card, someone is collecting their personal information. Information such as their name, age, address, phone number, place of employment, type of vehicle, and much more is stored in secret private databases. If you know how to access these databases, you can find out virtually anything about anyone. Want to know how to access this information? Learn the secrets here. Visit us at www.freecellphonetracker.net and don't forget to follow us on Twitter and Facebook.